Do you have questions about your personal benefits statement? If so, this video is for you. It provides a general overview of how to read your personal benefits statement and will apply to most SDRS members. Some members have unique circumstances that are difficult to illustrate, such as members with Class A and B service and members with outstanding purchases. If your situation is like this, please contact SDRS directly to discuss your benefit estimates. However, as I said earlier, for most members, this video will provide a guide for your personal benefit statement. Please note that nothing in this video is a legal reference or a complete statement of the SDRS laws or administrative rules. In case of conflict, the laws and administrative rules prevail. Let's get started. Each year, SDRS prepares a personal benefit statement for all members who have not retired and have money in the system. Your personal benefits statement is a snapshot of your SDRS record as of July 1st of the year it was prepared. Our goal with your statement is to help you understand the value of your SDRS benefit and plan for your future. Some parts of the statement are self-explanatory and some aren't, so let's run through one together. We'll use Pam as an example. First, let's look at membership information. This section lists Pam's benefit design, generational. Her SDRS identification number is G123123. Of note, members can use their SDRS ID instead of their Social Security number when contacting SDRS. This is a good number to commit to memory. Moving on, Pam is an active member, meaning she is currently making contributions to SDRS every pay period through her employer. If your member status is inactive, this means you are not currently making contributions to SDRS. Lastly, Pam is vested, which means that she has at least 3 years of service and will be entitled to lifetime retirement benefits upon becoming age eligible. If your vested status says no, you are not eligible for lifetime retirement benefits but are eligible for a refund. Next, Pam can easily see who she has listed as her beneficiaries. Primary beneficiaries are those who will be paid in the event of your death. If your primary beneficiaries predecease you, payment would be made to the contingent beneficiaries. If you need to update your beneficiary designations, log into your MySDRS account through the SDRS website. The next section shows Pam's current years and partial years of service, which are used to determine her retirement eligibility and calculate her benefits. You can see her final average compensation, or FAC. FAC is used to calculate retirement benefits. On July 1st, we looked back at Pam's most recent 40 consecutive calendar quarters and took the average of the highest 20 consecutive quarters. This is her FAC. Next, we'll look at Pam's accumulated contributions. Remember, both Pam and her employer make matching contributions to SDRS. Member contributions are the amount Pam has put into SDRS from her paycheck. Member interest is the interest earned on those contributions. Then, Pam has her employer match and the interest earned on those contributions. By law, a portion of the employer's total contribution is not refundable. This non-refundable employer portion depends on your vested status. Since Pam is vested, she is entitled to 85% of the employer portion. If Pam was not vested, she would be entitled to 50% of the employer portion. By adding together Pam's member and employer contributions and interest and subtracting the non-refundable employer portion, you see Pam's total accumulated contributions, $33,300. This is the balance of her SDRS account. It should be noted that loans against your SDRS account are not permitted. Additionally, a refund of accumulated contributions is only available if you terminate employment. Generally, the lifetime SDRS retirement benefit payments will have a much greater value for vested members than any refund of accumulated contributions. Let's skip down to the most important section of your personal benefits statement, the benefit estimates. Benefits are calculated using 3 factors: FAC, years of service, and a benefit multiplier, which is dependent on the member's class of service. Estimates are presented for 3 different retirement ages on your statement. The estimates are shown using today's final average compensation and a projected final average compensation. On your statement, the first column shows your benefit estimates at your earliest retirement age. The next column of benefit estimates is at your age 62. The last column shows your benefit estimates at your normal retirement age. If you were past the ages in any of the columns, the estimates in that column will either be as of the statement date or not presented. Because Pam is an active member, her estimates assume she will continue working and accruing service until the age is shown. If you are an inactive member, the estimates assume no additional service. The projected FAC estimates assume that Pam's current FAC will increase 2% each full year between now and the retirement ages shown. Pam's income replacement percentages estimate how much of her FAC will be replaced by her retirement benefit. For career members, those with 30+ years of service, SDRS can be expected to replace around 50% of FAC. Now we'll move to the variable retirement account section. When a monthly retirement or disability benefit is paid to a generational member, a variable retirement account or VRA is also paid. The VRA is an account that gets credited with up to 1.5% of pay throughout a generational member's career. Here we see Pam's VRA contributions are $4,360. VRA investment earnings are equal to the SDRS net investment return and are credited annually as of June 30th. Investment earnings can be positive or negative, but the VRA will never be less than the sum of all pay credits made to the account. The investment earnings on the VRA contributions for Pam are $940, making her VRA balance as of the statement date $5,300. So, how does the VRA get paid? At retirement or disability, generational members may elect payment options to fit their needs, such as a lump sum payment, a rollover to another eligible plan, or a purchase of an SDRS supplemental pension benefit. Generational members who terminate employment and elect to refund their accumulated contributions forfeit their VRA funds. Your annual personal benefit statement provides estimates of your SDRS retirement benefits. However, it should not be relied on exclusively in your retirement planning. Throughout your career, and especially as you approach retirement, it is important to contact the SDRS office to speak with a retirement planner about your retirement plans.